Welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mode, and today we are going to design this assembly. And before this assembly we will create all the parts in NXCAD, and after that we will assemble all the parts. So let's start with the first part. So first of all we will create this blower. For this we have two view. One is front view and one is sectional view. So with the help of this section view, I will design, I will sketch this rectangle and this L type shape, and later on I will revolve it with the revolve command at 360 degree. So let's start with the YZ plane and click OK. And now I will create a center line and click. This is my center line, and first dimension this, and this dimension is near about 8. Just change it to 8 and maximize this. Now I will start with the this bottom and click, draw a L shape and one more rectangle with 2 point. Now just dimension this is 0.25, and with the rapid tool, this diameter is 3 and the radial gap is 1.5, and click OK. And the inner hole is 1.5, so gap between this is 1.5 divided to 0.75 is the radial gap, and the bigger one circle is 11, so this distance is 5.5, and again this is zero point 0.5, this is 0.5, and this gap is 2.5, and this gap is double click 2.5 and enter. Now I will finish this, or just 8. We will section this, and after section we have this face, this is 8, so my gap is, this gap is 8, the half of 8 is 4, and this point and this point make them vertically coincident, and the difference between this is, the gap between these two is 6.5. Change it to 6.5, enter and close. And this point and the horizontal axis both will coincidence. Now my sketch is fully constant and all the dimensions are specified. This gap is 0.25, or enter, close this. You can see this 6.5 and 2.5, this gap is 2.5, the thickness is 0.5 and 3 and 1.5, and finish this. And now I will revolve this, and this and this both are my connected curve, and with respect to this I will extrude this. My first step is complete. Now I will create this. Just click over this and draw a line, click, and now dimension this, and this dimension is 2.5, and click OK. Just finish this. Now I will extrude this and 0, and then click until next and change it. Just define the offset 1 and second side is 0.25. Click or change this to value, and value is 6.5, and in boolean just select this and 2.5 and check out the value. Just reverse the value 0.25, and second is this is 0. Now check this, click minus value and tick. Now my value is below the horizontal axis, and click OK. Now I have to pattern this, so now we select this pattern feature and select the feature and vector, and this is 6, the count is 6, and click OK. So my first part is ready, and make unite all this part into one body. And if you want to change this color, so just go to view and display and click OK and change its color to anyone. So this is my first part, and save this part too. My new location is D annex assembly, and OK, and the part name is blower, and click OK. So thank you for watching. See you with next tutorial.